Duck, Hen, and Peacock's colorful day. On a bright sunny morning at the farm, three friends woke up with happy hearts. Duck waddled out of the pond, shaking water from his feathers. Hen stretched beside her cheeks. Peacock painted his tail that sparkled like a rainbow. Quack, 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 quack. Duck quacked. Good morning, friends. Quack, 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 quack. Hen clucked. What adventures awaits today? Peacock said proudly. "Ah, wherever we go, my colors will light the way." The three friends walked side by side through the farmyard. The chicks followed closely, chirping happily. At the pond, Duck splashed happily. Come swim with me, he quacked. Hen shook her head. Not for me, dear Duck. Peacock admired his reflection, shimmering like a rainbow. The chicks chirped. Peacock looks like a rainbow out the water. Hen groaned. Oh dear, my cheeks are hungry, but the seed sack is too heavy. Duck waddled over. Don't worry, I'll help. Peacock added proudly. And so will I. We're a team. Together, they tugged and pulled until, whip, the sack tore and seeds tumbled down the hill. Duck slid after them, pecking quickly. Peacock spread his rainbow tail like a giant fan. The seeds bounced safely against the feathers. Brilliant, Peacock! Quacked Duck. Hen clucked with joy. You saved the day. Back at the farmyard, Hen scattered seeds for her cheeks. They chirped and hopped, pecking happily. Duck splashed water for them to drink. Peacock stood proudly, his tail glittering in the sun. When the chicks finished eating, Peacock gave them a treat. He spread his feathers in a dazzling dance. Duck quacked along in rhythm. Hen clucked a cheerful tune. The farmyard sparkled with colors, like a rainbow had come down to play. The chicks clapped, Duck quacked, and Hen smiled proudly. As the sun set, the three friends sat together, watching the sky turn orange and pink. Duck smiled. We worked well together today. Hen nodded. Yes, we fed the chicks and kept them safe. Peacock ruffled his feathers. And we proved every friend is important. The three friends laughed and cuddled close. From that day on, Duck, Hen, and Peacock remembered teamwork, kindness, and sharing your gifts make every day colorful and bright. Would you like to learn and to hear another magical story? Tap on a picture to keep reading with us. See you!